Humans focus on an economy where goods and services are exchanged based on each person's individual capacity, rather than through money or any form of currency. Virtues are more valued than material possessions. Respect, kindness, cordiality, and living well are the basic norms of social interaction. Everyone has access to what they desire or need simply by virtue of being human. New technologies help humans live longer and more enjoyable lives. Travel to other parts of the planet has been reduced from hours to minutes, with improved air, sea, and land transportation systems reducing distances and travel time. Space exploration has seen a significant leap, with colonization of the moon and the construction of launch platforms in space and bases for scientific experimentation. Medicine has provided us with instruments and medical machinery capable of reproducing organs and essential parts of our bodies to prolong our existence. Points would be assigned based on our good deeds for others or society in general. The greater the good deeds, the greater the recognition. However, these good deeds would need to be natural, spontaneous, and sincere, without any ulterior motives. There would be well-established rules of action where there is no room for manipulation of facts, activities outside mutual respect, or any form of intolerance. It would be a society based on reciprocity, justice, respect for all, and the pursuit of collective harmony. Humans are more receptive and assertive, aiming for a collective consciousness where virtues are exalted. A social model to replicate and improve, based on the principle that the common good surpasses the individual. We must instill and encourage from an early age that the unity, cohesion, and strength of a healthy society can only be achieved through the purity of heart, humility, and respect for the world, nature, animals, and all living beings or natural resources. The year 2040 has brought about a radical transformation in human life. Inspired by Plato's vision in his Republic, we have created a society where virtues are the fundamental pillar of coexistence, and individual well-being intertwines with the common good. Money has disappeared, replaced by a system of exchange based on the capabilities and needs of each person. Introduction.